Don't miss me too much, okay?
What's it? Oh, baby, remove me. What just happened now? My phone.
My bag.
Baby, my phone.
Babe, they just took my bag. They just took my bag.
Collected my phone.
I'm telling you, they just took my bag. My bag with the money.
I'm telling you, my own phone. Which one is your bag? Oh, what kind of thing is this?
Babe, the $100,000 was in that bag.
Let me see. You just have to go and sort yourself out of me. Let me go and look for my phone.
What are you talking about? Hold on. Are you telling me that your phone is more important than the $100,000 I just lost?
Now, what are we going to do?
They just took $100,000 from me. Don't you care about that?
My phone. What are we going to do now? What are we going to do?
Oh my
Can you call the police?
Yes.
I'll call the police now. I'm coming, baby. Just be calling the police, okay?
Where are you going to?
Let me go and know how to get my own phone, okay?
Oh my goodness, you're so impossible. Look at where are you going to? What is wrong with this girl? I'm telling you, I lost $100,000 just now. You're talking about a stupid iPhone.
Arab, my love.
Hi.
You did so well, my love. Wait, let me see. It should be too much money. Because I saw you making call. There's so much money, even when you know there's nothing here.
Maybe it's like, let's check.
Let's move fast. I don't want to. Hey!
And it's dollars, so.
Baby.
Wait, let me pick it. Let me pick that money.
Come on.
How do you know that there was money in this bag? Why did you decide to?
Now what don't you?
Hey! Pursue him! Hey! He's a fellow man! Pursue him, Arab! What kind of thing is this now? Make sure you get him, Hey!
Okay, fine. I'm waiting. Please, hurry up. Hello.
I saw what just played out now. So I hope that this is your bag, right?
Yes. They just snatched this bag from me now. They took my bag and my girlfriend's phone.
Let me tell you, it's not your girlfriend. Your girlfriend, the fair lady, and the boyfriend, they planned everything. One guy that just passed through here right now.
That fair guy
that just passed here now. Both of them planned everything together. I snatched it over there in the bush there where they were trying to check whatever that is inside the bag.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I can't believe this.
My brother, see, let me tell you.
Chioma planned this?
Chioma, I don't know her name. You claim that she's your girlfriend, right? You have to be very, very careful, okay?
Oh my goodness.
Very, 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 very careful. That girl is not your woman at all. But next time, you might not be this lucky again, right? I think I have to go, okay?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Please,
be careful once.
Please. I can't just go like that.
It's even better you cross-check your money. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's all here.
Everything's complete.
It's all here.
They didn't take away anything there.
Thank you so much.
Oh, you trying to reward me?
Yes.
So my brother.
No. I insist.
I'm not poor. It's just that I saw when the thing happened too. I have to run over there to get the money for you to cover the thing. Just keep it, okay? I'm fine with myself. Right?
Thank you. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Be careful also. Be careful.
Thank you. Chioma, I can't believe Chioma would do a thing like this. Hey, Chioma, oh. Hello? I've recovered it. I'm telling you. Do you know that? Chioma did this to me. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always watching my videos. If you're enjoying my content, please remember to always leave a like, leave a comment, and share the videos with other people. If you're not already subscribed to my channel or following my page, please do so to support the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you all. Bye bye.